In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Microsoft Forms in an Outlook email. This is a great way to seamlessly gather information from your recipients directly through email without sending them to another web page. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. From your dashboard, you'll see a list of all your available forms. Go ahead and select the form you want to embed in your email. This will open the form, allowing you to make any last-minute tweaks or adjustments if necessary. Once your form is ready to go, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the Collect Responses button. By clicking this button, a menu will appear offering different ways to share your form. For our purpose today, we'll want to take note of the sharing link option. Click on it, and a unique URL will be generated that links directly to your form. Highlight and copy this link. This URL is what we'll be using to embed your form inside your Outlook email. Now let's head over to Outlook. Open your email client and start composing a new message. You can select your recipient, type a subject line, and draft your message as you normally would. Once you're ready to insert the form, place your cursor exactly where you want the form link to appear within the email body. Then, simply paste the link that you copied from Microsoft Forms. What's helpful here is that Outlook automatically recognizes this as a hyperlink, making it clickable for your email recipients. This feature allows the people receiving your email to easily click on the form link and complete it, all without leaving the comfort of their inbox. While this process is quite straightforward, I'll share a few extra tips to ensure both you and your recipients have a smooth experience. First, consider including a short explanatory message about what the form is for and why you're requesting their input. This keeps your recipients informed and can increase response rates. Second, perform a test send to yourself or a colleague before sending it out to your full recipient list. This will give you a chance to double-check that everything appears as you intended and that the link functions properly. Finally, always keep data privacy in mind. Make sure that any information you're collecting complies with relevant privacy regulations and convey to respondents how you intend to use their responses. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.